Hello everyone, my name is Ayush Patel. I am studying in class 8 in Utkarsh Public Senior Secondary School. Today's video I will tell you about Chandrayaan 3. First of all, recall the slogan Mera Bharat Mahan. Once more, Mera Bharat Mahan. Do you know what does the word Chandrayaan mean? Chandrayaan is a Sanskrit word which means moon beacon. What was the goal of Chandrayaan 3? The goal of Chandrayaan 3 was to verify the existence of water ice on the lunar surface of the moon. Why was Chandrayaan 1 is failed? Chandrayaan 1 is the first lunar exploration mission conducted by the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO). It was launched on August 2009. It was failed because of a communication issue. Why was Chandrayaan 2 failed? Chandrayaan 2 is the second lunar exploration mission conducted by ISRO. It was launched on 22 July 2019. It was failed to make a soft landing on the lunar surface of the moon and crashed during the touchdown. What is Chandrayaan 3? Chandrayaan 3 is India's third lunar exploration mission conducted by ISRO. When was Chandrayaan 3 launched? Chandrayaan 3 launched on 14th July 2023 from Satish Dhawan's Space Center from Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. When was Chandrayaan 3 landed on the lunar surface of the moon? Chandrayaan 3 landed on 23 of August at 6:04 p.m. on the south pole of the moon. There are only 4 countries that soft landed on the lunar surface of the moon: the USA, the China and Russia. India became the 4th country to soft landed on the lunar surface of the moon. To mark the successful landing of Chandrayaan 3, National Space Day will be celebrated on 23 August every year. Who headed the mission Chandrayaan 3? P.V. Ramudvil headed the mission Chandrayaan 3. Who directed the mission Chandrayaan 3? Shrikant directed the mission Chandrayaan 3. Who supported the mission Chandrayaan 3? There are many space agencies that supported the mission Chandrayaan 3, including NASA, ESA, JPL and other exploration agencies. What was the purpose of Chandrayaan 3? The purpose of Chandrayaan 3 was to safely and softly land it on the surface of the moon and conduct on-site experiment on the lunar surface of the moon. Equipped with advanced instruments, it will conduct scientific studies, analyze the lunar soil and gather important data for research. What was the part of Chandrayaan 3? There are 3 parts of Chandrayaan 3: a lander named Vikram, a satellite named an orbiter and a rover named Pragyan. How much the speed of Chandrayaan 3 while touching the surface of the moon? The speed of Chandrayaan 3 while touching the surface of the moon was 1.68 km per second. What was the budget of Chandrayaan 3? The budget of Chandrayaan 3 was $77 million, that is 615 crore rupee. It was lesser than the budget of Chandrayaan 2. The budget of Chandrayaan 2 was $96.5 million. Which rocket is used in Chandrayaan 3 and what is its name? LVM-3 rocket is used in Chandrayaan 3. It was 43.5 meter tall rocket. Its name was Fat Boy. How much time did Chandrayaan 3 take to reach the lunar surface of the moon? Chandrayaan 3 take 40 days to reach on the lunar surface of the moon. What was the components of the mission Chandrayaan 3? Chandrayaan 3 consists of a lander module LM, a propulsion module called Vikram will be responsible for the soft landing on the lunar surface of the moon, while the propulsion module is to carry the launch vehicle injection till 100 km orbit around the moon. Thank you everyone. Once more recall the slogan Mera Bharat Mahan, Mera Bharat Mahan. I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you.